Welcome to the GKV Client Portal. We created a space where you can have 24/7 access to your portfolio and account data. Each client will receive their own welcome email with specific login instructions as well as a temporary password. Click the link in the email or visit us at gkvcapital.com and select the Client Login button from the upper right-hand corner. Log in using the instructions found in that email. Upon logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to reset your password. The main page is your home page, which shows your portfolio based on the market value of yesterday's close, as well as since inception growth numbers. You can see this on an account-by-account basis as well. On the right-hand side of the screen is a to-do list, which will show you any homework we've given you or tasks that need to be completed. You can see this for you and any other members of your family. Your performance from a year-to-date and historical standpoint are also on your homepage, as well as some asset allocation information and sector-level information about how your portfolio is allocated. We also show you the difference between taxable dollars as well as deferred dollars. This helps us plan for some of the withdrawals that you might be taking in retirement. On the left-hand side of the menu, you can click into the Accounts page where you can view portfolio or account level data based on how you filter it. This first page shows the difference between what you've invested into your portfolio and the growth it's had over time. Then, as you click into the next pages, there's a ton of information that you have access to, including asset allocation performance, how the total portfolio is allocated, as well as asset allocation by account. Some of this mimics what you saw on your home page. You can also see current holdings in any or all of the accounts. Any of these carets can drop down and open more information, so you can see it on a security by security basis. Again, there's a ton of information, so you can see the symbol, the weighting of that position within the account, as well as its current market value. If you're wondering how these positions are doing for you, just scroll over to the next tab, which is Performance by Account. Here, you can continue to filter or even look at different time frames, such as quarter to date. The default will always be year to date, but if you want to make sure, you can always click back. Again, there's drop downs here so you can see not just on an account level, but a security level, the performance for each of the securities, how much it's earned for you, as well as how much it's gained in capital gains. You can also look at performance consolidated year by year to see what your beginning values were, what you've put in or taken out of the account, and what your gain is after fees, as well as some return percentage numbers for you. Moving on, you can also see transaction level data. So if you're wondering what we've bought or what we've sold recently, or if funds have left your account, confirming what bank account we're sending funds to. We also have unrealized gain loss information, so you can see what the cost basis is of your account and how we might be making decisions on what to sell and when to sell, keeping taxes and your specific tax situation in mind. Also important is to know what the realized gains and losses are for the year, so you can see what your tax projections might be, at least from the accounts that you have with us. This will only show you information related to taxable accounts, so any gains realized in retirement accounts will be intentionally excluded from this page. You can also see projected cash flow going into the future, what your stock and fixed income positions might be throwing off as far as dividends or coupon payments. Navigating over to the left-hand menu again, there's also a document vault, which gives you access to custodial documents like tax forms or statements, shared files that we've uploaded, or private files that you want to keep for your records. There's buttons on these pages that allow you to upload files that you can keep for yourself or share with us. Have fun exploring and let us know if you have any questions. All of this information is found on our web-based browser, but you can also download our apps in the Apple and Android stores.